You're about to see us cook some gooey stuff.
What's up, everyone? We're the Just Two Bros
And in this video, we're going to show you how to make zombie brain brownie bites. Here we are in the kitchen and we're ready to make our zombie brain brownie bites.
First step is to coat these with milk chocolate.
We're using candy melts to melt in the microwave with the help of our parents.
There you go, Parker.
Now we gotta put the brains to chill.
Okay. Nice.
We're using candy melts again for the goo that oozes out of the brains. See how we put half of the bag?
A little bit more. Not that much, half the bag.
Whoa. And now we're gonna melt them once again. We're making a sauce to paint the top of the brains so they look like they've been in someone's head. 2 full spoons.
Smells good. Thanks, Parker.
That's really like 2 spoons. And here we have some green food dye.
Too much food coloring gives you a big stomach. Whoa, this is spooky. Cool. Looks slimy, by the way. We got our little brownie bites, extra yummy. Our goo, extra gooey. And our green brain plate, extra green. Looks like a zombie. Woo!
Let me help you.
Action.
Okay. 1. Give me another one.
2. This one's mine.
And now you do a hole in the middle of each of them. Not too hard. Do it softly. It's time to unwrap the gooey stuff. Use yours for
a little scoop.
just move.
No, stop right there.
Can I do mine now? My first one now?
Ah, that's a nice one. Looks like it had little 2 legs and 2 teeth. Ooh, spare. Let's. And now we're ready to get the brains out of the refrigerator.
Moment of truth.
We got a brain. Yeah.
Don't take it out. You still gotta push
no, I
it
got
out.
it. Yay!
Another brain.
Yeah!
We finished our move. Let's paint the brain.
Paint the brain.
Okay, now I get to do 2 more.
It's okay. All shafts get dirty. A little bit right there.
And we're ready to eat the brain.
I'm not kidding, these looks good. I found my brain.
This is so good.
Mine falling apart.
We had a lot of fun doing this.
We want to give a big shout out to Elizabeth at SUGARHERO for giving us this recipe.
If you like this video, give it a like.
And make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on and hit that bell button so when we release a new video, you get a notification as always.
And we'll see you on our next adventure.